Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar, well known for its ethics, discipline and its motto, student first. Safety first, which is now due to pandemic, one of the only institute which operated during the time of pandemic and allows students to stay on campus. Awarded best in terms of campus and a 5-star rating from Food Safety and Standards Authority of India for ensuring food safety and promoting healthy eating for the second consecutive year. I guess you all are eagerly waiting to see your life at campus. What do you say, guys? Okay, let's go. The Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar has good relation with leading universities and ties with them, from which we have great opportunities to learn and visit different institutions all around the world. The research community at Indian Institute of Gandhinagar is more focused on sustainable development, which is well reflected by the structure of our campus. There is no restriction in learning. We can learn whatever we want to learn. Also, we are provided with good number of online courses which are sponsored by our institute. We have different types of courses and short courses which helps in building our skills and techniques. We have seminar regularly, which is a best learning experience from which we can learn and get opportunities all around the globe. With a 1:10 student-faculty ratio, we have world-class faculty who are very talented, polite, helpful and are motivating and always motivate us to get more productive. Located on the banks of river Sabarmati, a campus away from pollution and disturbance, which is surrounded by greenery. Welcome to the well-structured and fastest developing Institute of Technology, Indian Institute of Technology, Gandhinagar. It is generally considered that campus is a second home for students. But believe me, we do not miss our home that much here, and the atmosphere here is very enthusiastic. We have a good number of hostels with excellent facilities which encourages us to become more productive. The library, mini library and the workspace in academic area are the places preferred by students, and also places like Panchayat Circle are preferred by the students to chill out and hang out with friends. For students, workspace and mini library are open 24/7 hours. One more thing, for those people who have extra money in their pocket, we have small restaurants in our academic area and hostel area too. When we go to mess, it really feels like we are in the best rated mess. The food provided is nutrition rich, delicious, and we have two options to choose from different messes. Here is our dining hall. Our community is of the opinion that sports is an integral part of students' life and focuses on it. We have various facilities for different types of sports, and we have different types of tournaments throughout the years. We have different facilities for sports which include all the major sports and games that we could participate in, and those are really interesting and enthusiastic. We have different types of clubs: 16 Pixel for photography, Sargam for music, Step Up for dance, Metis for coding, and many more clubs, which are very helpful in developing our skills in extracurricular activities. Any student of any stream can participate. As a member of club, you can participate in different events that are held in IIT Gandhinagar. Some of them are Blitzcon, Amalthea, and Ignite. Thank you for watching this video. At the end I want to say that hostel हो तो ऐसा हो, campus हो तो ऐसा हो. आओ कभी IIT गांधीनगर मिलते हैं.